once was a captive heart, crying out like a fire alarm. Then grace rescued me. You never stopped till I was found. You never tire of calling out. This love is everything. After all you've done in me, I will be your hands and feet, follow where you lead. As you say, set my people free. Go into the world. Every boy and girl deserves to know a life far beyond the fight and reach where there's no light or hope, so the captives know and my enemies can see that I will set my people free. Set my people free. Who will listen if I can't speak? I'll never move a mountain with arms so weak. With one word you can make them fall. You go before me now. Your faithfulness destroys the doubt. Your strength is fire to my soul. After all you've done in